We are excited today to talk about the top 10 pre-mixed paints that are now available in a 2K aerosol form. What we did was we took our most popular pre-mixed colors. The names are on screen right now because I don't remember all of them. Thank you, editor, for saving me there. And we made them available in our 2K Aerospray format. The way this works is you take your 2K Aerospray can, take the cap off, put it on the bottom, pop it, and what will happen is it's going to inject this catalyzer that comes out as you spray and mixes the paint for you. So you don't need to deal with any kind of pesky mixing ratio. It's all in one and sprays out of one can, no extra gun, no extra cleaning, and you're good to go. So to show you how this works, we have this motorcycle fuel tank ready to go in primer. I'm going to scuff it and clean it up, and we're going to spray it with the 2K Aerospray and show you how it really comes out. These cans are fantastic for jamming out small parts or other small projects. Also, you can top coat, but you really don't need to. When we spray, we try to be 6 to 8 inches away from the part that we're spraying. This particular paint likes one tack coat, which means I'm gonna do like a lighter coat, followed by 1 to 2 medium wet coats. This will ensure good coverage and a nice finished product. And of course, always follow the flash time. This can recommends 5 to 10 minutes for each coat. Now that we're done spraying, let's see how she looks. This is just one sample of these pre-mixed colors that we have currently on Eastwood.com of the 2K Aerospray system. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next video.